You ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now, and you simply suck right now.
It's your boy AJ. I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Ooh. My girl not with me time. She at work. I'm at the house. I said, man, how you doing? Let me do a video. A vlog. Like a little vlog. Little Quinn after any yeah, that way. Yeah, man, what's up, gang? Squad, family. Y'all already know. Go ahead, like, subscribe, turn notifications, and hit that bing. I said hit that bing. Hit that bing, y'all. Turn up. My camera, my camera came in today. My camera that came in today, y'all. My camera, y'all see my camera? Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my camera. Let me show y'all my camera. Alright, my camera that came in today. Yep. Man, bro, I did bought this camera and it failed. Man, bro. Now I'm finna open it up and see what I got in her. They got me on them time. Oh, nah. Hello, nah. Y'all see this camera? Let me put on this side. Oh my God. Who like this camera? My baby got a camera. Came in today. Oh, we finna do some now. We finna do some videos now. Okay. Let me Okay. Vlogging. Seeing. Y'all like this? Y'all like that? Hello, focus. They been focusing. You don't focus. Oh, I ain't fucking too light. But I like this camera. I like this camera. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the picture. I did take out a picture. Oh my God. Look, this how it show. We need to focus. Well, hey, focus. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I like this. But I got a stand coming up too. I got a stand. I think it's. I already got a stand. It's small. I got a stand. It's small though. It's small. Oh, here you go. My camera. It's small. See? Then come out here. I think he come out here. Put it on top. Look. I gotta do this camera. Put it on top. It's not going. I don't know why it's not going. Oh, there you go. It's going there, y'all. It's going there. Still not going. What's going on there? Now it's on. It's on there, y'all. Look, it's on there. It's coming on. Okay. I like this. Now we don't gotta use our phone no more. Well, let me scoot that back. Hello, gang. Hold on, squad. Got a camera. I'm be pranking. My probably prank my girlfriend coming up on her birthday. Shout out my girlfriend's birthday on the 21st. The 21. I know my girlfriend's birthday. It is. In the head messed up. I like this. Comment below and see y'all like this camera. It's a good camera. We got it. It's a look out. I like this camera. I'm just vlogging right now. It's raining outside, y'all see? Alright, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna show you it's raining outside. Now, that's why I said let me go ahead and do a video or a vlog. Let's see. I ain't doing the chilling in the house. Not playing the game. Not doing that. I ain't doing that. Oh, they go see what's going on outside. I know it's nothing going on. Oh my God. I know nothing not going on. It's dark in the house. Oh, my daddy back. Y'all see outside? It's raining. But we got a parade coming up. A parade. Woo! We got a parade. Hold on, turn the light on. I'm telling you, we got a parade Monday, Tuesday, I think Wednesday. We got the parade Wednesday. And no, we don't got a parade Wednesday. I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta get my camera and stuff. Y'all see my dog? My dog tired. Look, fat. Boy, so fat. He just lay right there every day. Lay right there every day. He go outside, but he don't. King, get up. I'm gonna make him on y'all and see if he can shake my hand. Come here. Get up, boy. Get up, boy. Get up, boy. Come on. Let's go outside. You know what outside mean. Give me 5. Give me 5. King, no. Sit down. Give me 5. Yay! Tubbs, give me 5. Train, boy. Good boy. Yep. Well, there ain't nobody. Yo. Well, I'm just showing y'all what it is and stuff. What all I gotta do and stuff. But man, I'm gonna see y'all next time, and I'm gonna prank somebody. I'm gonna prank somebody for y'all. I know y'all missing the prank. Man, we don't do a prank. They're doing all these videos. We out and do a prank. Hey, go shout out on CEO AJ. That's my page. CEO AJ. I'm on YouTube. Go shout out me. It's me right there. But it's your boy AJ. And I'm gonna see y'all on another video. Peace out. Squad gang.